Hey everyone, Isaac from Hyper E-Bikes here. Today, one of our customers has brought in their 1500 watt kit. They want their rear tyre replaced as long as their rear inner tube. And they're also looking for a bleed on the front and back brakes. And they want us to change the pads because this is no good. This is a couple of the things we'll be using today. A set of Allen keys. We've also got a brand new tube, new Maxxis tyre, 2 pairs of brake pads for the front and rear, a spanner, some zip ties, and some scissors. First, the motor's coming out. Next, we're going to take off the rear tyre. Once the old tyre's off, grab your new tyre and your new inner tube. Once the tube and tyre are on, give it a bit of air, and then the wheel's ready to go back in the frame. Alright, the wheel's back in. Next, we're onto the pads. Alright, we've changed the pads. We're seeing huge improvement in how the brakes perform, but the front lever is still a little bit spongy. So we're going to give it a bleed. We'll bleed the back wall here as well. Alright, so this is how the bike sits now. Everything's been done. Back tyre and tube have been replaced. Both pads, front and rear, have been done, and both brakes have been given a bleed. If you or anyone you know is looking for a service or repair on their e-bike, be sure to send us a DM or leave a comment down below.